Hey everybody, I'm Andrea from Aromatherapy Institute, and I'm here with my diffuser and some great essential oils that you can use. It's an antimicrobial diffuser blend. In other words, help get rid of the germs. So this is a great blend to use if kids are sick in the house, if you feel like you're getting sick. I use this a lot in the winter time. I often suggest this to people who have kids that are in school when there's a lot of other kids getting sick and cold weather and all of that. So it's also going to make your house smell amazing. So it's very simple. It's just 2 drops of cedarwood, 2 drops of orange, and then we've got 2 drops of balsam fir. Now, balsam fir smells like a Christmas tree. It's just like bringing that gorgeous pine tree aroma right into the house. So we'll put 2 drops of each in, and all 3 of these essential oils are great at reducing germs. So I chose them both for their capacity to do that, as well as being great oils to use around kids, as well as a gorgeous combination of aroma so your house smells good. Okay, so in this diffuser, you can use any kind of electric diffuser that you might have around. I already added the water, and then I'm just gonna add 2 drops of each, 2 drops of cedarwood. And I love cedarwood for kids, especially if they're sick, because it's very calming. So this is a great oil for nighttime, but you could diffuse this any time of day. So we'll put in our 2 drops of cedarwood. And then orange is also a classic for kids. And believe it or not, even though it's such a bright, sweet aroma, it's very comforting and can help with sleep too. But again, great daytime oil as well. So 2 drops of orange, and it's so pretty. It's a bright orange color, so you'll like that. And then the balsam fir. So now we've got this grounded woody aroma from the cedarwood, the bright zesty peel of the orange aroma, and now we've got the balsam fir, which is distilled from the needles of this tree. Oh gosh, it's beautiful. And we'll put 2 drops of that. And there's a little room here, so if you decide that you want a little bit more balsam fir, maybe 1 more drop or 1 more drop of either of the others, feel free to do that. I usually use between 5 and 10 drops in my diffuser. And it is safe to diffuse around kids as long as the door is not shut and the kids are in the room and can't leave. So if you have a baby or a really young child, put the diffuser on for like 15 minutes and then turn it off. And that way they'll be exposed to the oil. It'll help reduce, any sort of symptoms that they're experiencing, but also it'll be perfect for, not overwhelming them with the aroma. Okay, so I'll put this little piece on here. There we go. Big snap. And then put the top on, and I turn it on. There we go. And now it's diffusing. And most of these electric diffusers have different time settings, different intervals. This one even has pretty lights. So that's kind of fun. You can put a nice yellow glow on. And I would leave this diffusing for 15 or 20 minutes. And you know what? Sometimes I put it on when everybody leaves the house, and then I'll let it diffuse for a couple of hours. And by the time we get home, it has helped me clear the air. It's cleansing, very antimicrobial, great at reducing germs. And then we walk into a house that smells amazing. All right, well, I hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.